Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert a line chart in Google Slides. So if you want to do it, first you need to open presentation where you want to insert this type of chart. After that you need to open a slide where you want to insert this chart. So for example, I select first one slide and then I need to go to Insert tab, I need to go to Chart Settings, and here I need to select Line Chart. After that, line chart will be successfully generated here. So now we want to edit this chart. So I click on this icon with three dots, and after that I need to click on this option, Open Source. Then Google Sheets will be loaded here. Of course, we want to edit this data. So for example, I will change the team numbers to names. For example, I type here Adam, I type here Matthew, I type here Philip, and I type here John. Then I can edit the columns here. So for example, I will change it to January and here to February. And I will edit the data. So here I will type maybe 40, here maybe 50, here 20, and here 10. And on the second column, I will type this data 90, 20, 60, and 50. Okay, so we have here this chart. Of course, this chart is in Google Sheets, but if we want to have it on the Google Slides, we need to open the presentation and we need to click Update button. After that, chart will be successfully displayed in our presentation. So how you see it really works. If I helped you to create a line chart in Google Slides, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.